За юу бодох юм? Өнөөдрийн бичлэгээр хэдүүлээ. Юу гангстер тоглоно. За миний машин бодсон юм байна.
This is Heavy Man laying down the beat for you on 98.4 The Hood. Now let's hear from Dead Prez with It's Bigger Than Hip Hop.
Тэгвэл одоо юу хийх вэ? Онгоц хийх үү? Анзаа зурд байгаа юм. Энэ маа.
But since that's not happening right now, and all is fine, I suppose that's neither here nor there. This is Barry Jones, and you're listening to 101.4 Classic Vibes. Classic Vibes.
I'm a tiger. I perform every night on stage in front of a crowd of tourists. One night, I decided I'd had enough, so I ripped off my trainer's arm. Looks like a stagehand left the back door open. Now I'm out in the streets and I'm feeling hungry. I turn left, I turn right, I see you, and pounce. You try to get away, but guess what? I'm 600 pounds of pure bloodthirsty muscle. I tear into you. It's gonna take a lot of doctors to put you back together again. Oh, your HMO doesn't cover tiger attacks? That's a shame. If you had Tangier's tiger coverage, you'd be good to go.
Rate subject to terms, conditions, and availability. No pre-existing tiger wounds, gaping or ungaping, will be covered.
It's Vegas, baby. Tigers aren't everywhere, but they could be anywhere. So go prepared. Go Tangier.
Classic Vibes, 101.4.
О, да, не хорошо. Так, интересно. Это будет. О, это ух ты. Юра, а он вот старый песок.
That was the Hillbilly Hellcats with Having It All. And this is 101.4. You've got 101.4. You've got Barry Jones. And now you...
Мини вообще. О, это машина.
And our very special I'm gonna give you a mouthful.
With so many slices, how can I choose?
You don't have to, baby. Our 5 for 50 special gets you a quintet of our sauciest slices ready to do things that'll bring you to your knees.
Nice.
Heidi's Hot Slices. If we're not at your front door in 30 minutes or less, you can use the back door for free.
Hey, it's your man Heavy Ben on the hood. Let's take a call. Who on the air?
Benjamin, this is your cardiologist, Dr. Victor.
Dr. Rick! Hell yeah! You like hip-hop? What's your favorite jam?
Yes. I find this music offensive and crude. Your mother would be ashamed.
You don't know what my mama thinks, dog.
I heard the fast food bags earlier, Benjamin. You're eating those double chubby bubbas again, aren't you? What did we talk about?
Nah, man.
Are you lying to your doctor right now, Benjamin? Do you honestly think I'm going to fall for that?
I think I'm losing you, Doc. More with Heavy Ben after this.
Keeping it real in the hood. It's all good in the hood.
This is Heavy Ben on the hood. Next up is Combust by Dope D.O.D.
Grenade drop, pull the pin out and throw. Keep your heads down, everybody stay low. Follow my advice if you wanna stay breathing. Gotta keep it
힘들어 죽지마. 더 минимум тэнгэ байтал юу. Би нэг онгоц хулгайлаад ганц онгоц хулгайлаад балтыг дадаад машин аялуулсан даа. Чи давчи. Ваа шууд нэгтэй зөө. 그리고 сая горхон байсан юм байна. Гэлц яг олчлоо. Бас ингэж амар уддээ шүү дээ. Ганц нэг энийг зараад хэдэн хэрэг одоод чи да. Энийг зараад хэдэн хэрэг одоод 좀 가지고. 야, 너무 늦지. 아론 탐스나 고른 쪽인 향풍도 있습니다. 차오스다. 이 향풍도 좋은 거예요, 정말. 혹시 자, 저희부터 이렇게 보자.